Hello, my friend. How are you? This is beautiful girl Anya, and today is a big day for her because I want to cut mullet. And let's watch what happened. Chapter 1. Parting. Firstly, we should part in the zones. As you understand, we will cut one zone short and save the length on the second zone. For this, I use a parting from ear to the ear and the central parting at the top. Chapter 2. The first line. The first line is very important. I like to start cutting from the ear. Attentions, be careful with the ear. If you want soft effect, choose angle in this range. If you want aggressive effect, choose this angle. Well done. Chapter 3. The second line. Try to repeat the first line. For this, use your eyes. If line not perfect, don't worry. You will have opportunity to work with your mistakes later. Chapter 4. Banks. Everything is simple here. Connect the shortest strands from the sides with a straight or curved line. Well done. Now we have a raw draft of the haircut, so we can give freedom for the back. And don't forget to enjoy the beauty of hair movement. And now it's time for blow dry. Comment, like, and subscribe. Comment, like, and subscribe. Comment, like, and well done. Chapter 6. Texture. Now we have a straight and volumetric haircut, and I want to spoil it and remove the volume. And I'm doing this without touching the edge line because I like the density of the edge line. And now we connect top and the back. I do this with slicing technique and only in the upper part of the back because I want to save density at the ends. Chapter 7. Work with mistakes. Now is a good time to correct all your mistakes. For this, I use clipper and my eyes. Chapter 8. Styling. To give shag texture for the hair, I use a blow dryer and my hands. We take strands of different size and blow dry in a different sides. the most important part of the haircut is enjoying the result. So I think it looks good and we are great. I hope this video was useful for you and give you joy to your life. Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye. Well done.